go. I need to go at the cops.
What is Tilly doing?
She's doing the hiccup. She's talking to me.
She's talking to you.